In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can produce crawling text in Capcut PC completely for free. Go underneath your text tab with the third option, and then underneath text, add text. Click add a default text by clicking the plus icon like so. Extend your text like so, however long you want the video to have the scrolling or the crawling text to appear. And if you don't know how to get the text, then you want to type, let's say you want the text on the video clip right here. You want to right click the video clip, click transcript based editing. And as you can see, we now have the text to the video. We can click and highlight, and we can create a new text template. Choose one and then click add. But in this case, I'm going to produce the text from the video by just simply copying and pasting this right here to our current default text that we just created. Okay, so click on your text, click Control plus A and Control V to paste the text. Then make sure that the text is like this, like so there's no space or no gaps. And then if you want to update your text, you can even add a drop shadow under here underneath preset style. You can scroll down and you can create or click on a background, and you can adjust the height accordingly. And you can click the text and move it down or up according to what you like. Highlight the text. You can even make the scale smaller underneath position and size, so your text becomes smaller. Okay, next step is that you want to do while still clicking on the text, go to position and size, and then underneath position, uniform and scale, click this to add a keyframe. Make sure you're at the beginning of the text or the video. Go to the very end of the text or your video clip. Go to one frame to the left and then click here to add another keyframe. And then now, since your text is still highlighted and selected, click, hold down shift and move your mouse to the left. And then repeat this until you get to the end of your text. This looks good. Okay, so far we go to the beginning of the video.
In the entire United States, and today, I'm going to be going all over Scottsdale to talk to some of the wealthiest people in the entire city.